Raj, where is my Raj? Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been a while, but here I am with another layover vlog, and this is my favorite destination in Zurich right now. And I'm kind of very excited because we are going to explore, see how it goes. Honestly, if you have Zurich clear day, you must go out. That is why, despite being all ready to every places, I went again with my crusade because the city is so pretty. As usual, at 9 a.m. we had to have our breakfast, and around 10 we had to leave because when you rent a car or a bus, it is very time specific. By the way, this was my OOTD for day because I know it is going to be hot. But my entire set of crew, for some reason, they were in this impression that it will be cold, and some of them were sweater, wore trench coat and whatnot. And later they realized that it's actually very hot in May. At this point of time, I just knew that entire Zurich city has beautiful lake. All of them has Turkish color water, and it all looks same yet very pretty. But since it was first time for so many crew in our group, that is why we had to stop by, and our driver's duty is to stop at some Pinteresty places or some beautiful lakeside view. Let me remind you again, there were so many people already there, yet this place was so quiet and calm. We all stayed there for good 30 to 40 minutes. We clicked lots and lots of picture, and then we were on move again. Our itinerary includes 3-4 destination, and one of them was going to be Lake Bryans, which is going to be our next destination after this. On the way to Lake Bryans, we stumbled upon a field full of Swiss cows, and we all knew we have to go and look up them close. हमने driver को रोकने को बोला, and we had some good time there. Fun fact, every Swiss cow wears an ear tag with its own unique ID. It used to track their health and where they come from. I had no idea until I saw them up close. थोड़ी देर उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद हमने स्विस काउस को बाय बोला और फिर निकल पड़े अपने नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन, द ब्यूटीफुल लेक ब्रायन. एज आई सेड, दिस वाज पार्ट ऑफ आवर आइटनरी. व्हाई? बिकॉज अगर आप ज्यूरिख के कोई भी डेस्टिनेशन घूमने के लिए निकालोगे, उसमें लेक ब्रायंस का नाम जरूर आता है. इनफैक्ट ब्रायंस विलेज का भी नाम आता है. लेक ब्रायंस इज वन ऑफ द स्विट्जरलैंड्स मोस्ट स्टनिंग टर्किश लेक्स. द कलर ऑफ वाटर comes from glacier minerals which gives it unreal crystal blue appearance. लेक ब्रायन से इंटरलाकिन का डिस्टेंस बहुत ही कम है, सो आवर नेक्स्ट स्टॉप वाज इंटरलाकिन. वहां पहुंचकर सबने अपना अपना टाइम एंजॉय किया. कुछ लोग फूड एक्सप्लोर करने चले गए, कुछ शॉपिंग और स्ट्रीट में घूमने लगे, और मैं बस एक ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन में बैठकर उस पीसफुल वाइब का एंजॉय कर रही थी. आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लोर्ड इंटरलाकिन इन माय प्रीवियस व्लॉग. इफ यू ऑल हैव वॉच्ड दैट, इफ नॉट, प्लीज डू check that out. In this time, I was just enjoying the moment because traveling is not always about rushing here and there. During my layover, whenever we go out, it's very overwhelming experience because you are continuously traveling here and there, which is why it is very important that you sit still and soak into the moment instead of just running here and there. And that is exactly what I did there. It was time to explore our next destination, and this time it was Lauterbrennen. Lauterbrennen is famous for 72 dramatic waterfall and towering limestone cliff. It was 20-minute ride from Interlaken. We had to walk a lot in order to get closer to the waterfall, and exactly that is the part which was very disappointing because we were not allowed to go closer. As you can see, the sign says that not allowed to cross the fence, and it has a very genuine reason. This is Tuborg Falls, which is one of the most iconic waterfall in Switzerland, which you can see behind me. By the way, this is Europe's highest free falling waterfall, and the reason why we couldn't go underneath because the cliff is very steep and rocks can fall on you unexpectedly. This is beautiful. After this, we will be going to Grindelwald, and that would be our last destination. And after Grindelwald, we are going back to hotel, and I'm already tired. But yeah. And there's a church. Say hi. Hi.
Hi guys.
So how are you liking Zurich so far?
It's amazing. Beautiful, beautiful place.
And how about your trench coat?
French coat. I'm feeling so hot, but it's fine.
But I think in the evening it will be cold. So
Yeah, it will be better. Chale?
anyway. Yep. Say hi.
Hello.
So how are you liking Zurich so far?
Amazing. हमारी वो क्या है? Influencer.
Introduce my crew today. Senior crew. She's our second senior crew, and we all are their bachas. I think I am the bacha one in this entire crew. No, I'm not fam crew. और इसी के साथ in no time we were into Grindelwald, and trust me, Grindelwald is one of the most beautiful Swiss alpine village which is surrounded by mountains and mountains. We thought this would be our last destination, but after that one of the lake was left which is so popular in K-drama series which you guys will come to know. क्या दुख है?
बहुत दुख है, मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ। एक ही कपड़ों में 5-6 जगह जाना बहुत ही गंदा लग रहा है।
Exactly.
It's too bad, you know.
And now I don't even feel like clicking pictures anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
And this whole city is Pinteresty. You want to click more and more.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. You must come.
Guys must come Switzerland.
Switzerland, but with your यहाँ की हवाओं में भी प्यार है। हाँ है, नहीं है क्या?
अब बिल्कुल है, बिल्कुल है। Say hi, Captain.
राज कहाँ हो राज? राज कहाँ हो? राज,
Raj, where is my Raj? This was officially our last destination for the day. This is Esseltwald, a beautiful village on Lake Bryans, which is especially very popular among K-drama fans. The iconic Crash Landing on You series, which I'm sure most of you all must have watched, उसकी लास्ट एंडिंग सीन यहाँ पे शूट हुई थी स्पेशली ऑन दैट पायर, और आज ये इतना फेमस है कि आप 5 दे के उस पायर के एंड तक जा सकते हो इन ऑर्डर टू recreate that scene or to click picture and whatnot. And with this, our last stop for the day comes to an end. After this, we went directly to our hotel. So total expense for this entire trip was 800 CHF for 10 people, which is equivalent to 95,000. At the end, we were very happy yet very tired. I hope you all liked this vlog. If yes, do like, share and subscribe. See you all in next vlog. Bye bye.